At Superior Thread, our shared values are innovation and creativity, communicate openly, being results-driven, customer focus, mutual respect, accountability and stewardship, and continuous improvement. At Superior, we value work-life balance.
We give vacation benefits, 10 days for the first 5 years of service, 15 days for 6 to 10 years of service, and 20 days of vacation for 11 or more years of service.
At Superior Thread Rolling, our work week is Monday through Sunday. Direct deposit is required, and we'll take out deductions like medical or 401k. At Superior Thread Rolling, our ERP system touches just about every corner of the business. You'll be clocking in and out of jobs in our ERP system called M1 Shop Floor Entry.
Superior offers 48 hours of sick time, equivalent to 6 days. We offer a choice of 2 health providers, 50 to 60% covered by the employer. We also extend that coverage to employee only, employee plus spouse, and employee plus family. In the office, we dress business casual. Jeans are definitely okay. On the shop floor, we like to see solid shirts, blue, gray, black, white. Safety shoes are extremely important here. We run a shop with coolant and oil, so we really need slip-resistant shoes.
At Superior Thread, attendance, punctuality, dependability, work ethic are all job expectations.
Growth opportunities at Superior Thread are all up to you. If you can apply yourself, you have curiosity, and you want to learn, you will grow here at Superior Thread.